Opening shot of the Spider-Man logo. Spider-Man, the friendly neighborhood superhero, has captured the hearts of fans for decades. From comic books to television, and now the big screen, this web-slinging hero has a special place in the hearts of many. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Spider-Man movie and all its glorious moments. Cut to scenes from the movie Spider-Man. Narrator, directed by Sam Raimi and released in 2002, this adaptation of the popular Marvel comic was a huge success. It stars Tobey Maguire as Peter Parker, a high school student who gains superhuman abilities after being bitten by a genetically modified spider. Cut to Tobey Maguire as Peter Parker discovering his new abilities. Narrator, Peter Parker then dons the iconic red and blue suit and becomes Spider-Man, using his powers to fight crime and protect his city. This transformation not only affects Peter physically, but also emotionally, as he must navigate his new responsibilities while also juggling his personal life. Cut to scenes of Peter struggling with his personal life as Spider-Man. One of the most iconic aspects of the Spider-Man movie is its villain, the Green Goblin. Played brilliantly by Willem Dafoe, the Green Goblin is the alter ego of Norman Osborn, a wealthy businessman who develops super strength and a split personality after an experiment gone wrong. Cut to Willem Dafoe as Norman Osborn, transforming into the Green Goblin. The intense battle between Spider-Man and the Green Goblin not only provides thrilling action scenes, but also showcases the moral dilemmas that Peter faces as a superhero. The conflict between good and evil is portrayed beautifully in this movie. Cut to action scenes between Spider-Man and Green Goblin. But what sets this movie apart from other superhero films is its heart. The love story between Peter and Mary Jane, played by Kirsten Dunst, is a major part of the plot and adds depth to the character of Peter Parker. Cut to scenes of Peter and Mary Jane's relationship. Another standout aspect of the movie is its stunning visual effects. From the famous upside-down kiss scene to Spider-Man's web-slinging abilities, the CGI in this film was groundbreaking at the time and still holds up today. Cut to scenes showcasing the CGI in the movie. Of course, we cannot talk about the Spider-Man movie without mentioning its iconic theme song, Hero by Chad Kroeger and Josie Scott. It perfectly captures the essence of Spider-Man as a hero and remains a fan favorite to this day. Cut to scenes of Spider-Man in action with Hero playing in the background. Accompanied by an epic score by Danny Elfman, the music in this movie elevates the overall viewing experience. Cut to scenes of the soundtrack being recorded. With its blend of action, romance, and heart, Spider-Man was a box office hit and became a cultural phenomenon. It paved the way for the superhero genre to flourish in Hollywood.